What's up, everybody? It's the Sampsons, and we are back with another video today for you. It is early lunchtime because, of course, I've got to go to work. So, just wanted to do a quick video for you today of what we're having for lunch. I got Dalen here with me because it's his off day from school, and so today we are having
Popeyes.
real quick. All right, so we're gonna say grace. We're gonna eat fast. Well, y'all know I don't eat fast. Anyway.
Alright. Dear Lord, thanks for the food that we're about to receive. Give us the nourishment and the blessings into our life. Thank you for giving us another day to live, and let's go on throughout our days, and let's be prosperous in it. In the name of Jesus Christ, I pray. Amen.
Amen. All right, so we got, as you can see, Pop love that chicken from Popeyes. Popeyes chicken. And I got me a cinnamon apple pie, and I have me a strawberry cream cheese apple pie because I haven't had it and I wanted to. Um, sometimes when you go to the restaurant and it seems like everybody is ordering something. Yeah, they got me too. Cause everybody in there was ordering it, and so it's like, let me try one. I always get an apple pie, but I wanted to get the cream cheese. All right, so I got me a 2-piece. No, I don't eat 12 pieces of chicken. I don't do that because I can't. So I got me a 2-piece and some mashed potatoes and a biscuit right quick. 2-piece combo. Dalen has a 2-piece combo with
You get the hard biscuit of this.
red beans and rice. They both feel the same.
It's not red beans and rice. It's Cajun rice.
Cajun rice, I'm sorry. And you got hot sauce?
Right now.
And honey. So, I showed y'all the food. I can move it now. Because I don't know how y'all be eating with these things on here. I can't. It be in my way. I really like to get in my food. Sorry. So, my biscuit kind of hard. I don't like that. But I'll get through it. I might not even eat the whole biscuit. Because it looks like they're playing. Oh, stick. It's a choke. It's a choker. So then what's been up?
They ain't have no Pepsi. Turned straight water when I went to go get some Pepsi. So I got sweet tea. I didn't feel like it, but I ain't want. They soda selection. Not feeling it. But what's been up? I've been reading this book that I gotta read. By English my English class called Broken Prey. It's about
And how is it thus far?
it's good.
What is it about?
Let me tell you.
Now my lip burning. Because I don't know if y'all can see it or not. I woke up and my lip was kind of swollen.
Dang. And anyways, the book is about
It's burning.
a series of murders that's been going on in this small town in Minnesota. And the dude, I guess the person who's been murdering all his victims, they turn up like very disgusted. Like they've been mutilated basically. And that's so far.
Disassembled.
Yeah, that's what I've just been reading about so far.
Mm.
But yeah, especially about these cops. They go in there trying to solve the murder, pretty much. I'm not gonna get into details right now.
So,
But yeah.
it's just a book you have to read like for your senior thesis.
Yeah. You know, find a book.
And what y'all got to do? Because I know, remember I told you about how we had to do, we had to do the whole thing, we had to do note cards.
Yeah. I guess that's our thing.
That was required for us to go to the library. And we had to do like 150 note cards.
Well, we gotta read a book. You gotta read this book. Find a book that you like. Read about it. I mean, read it. Not read about it. Read it. Do a synopsis on it. With just like a small summary about it. Then do an autobiography on yourself. Then get your family tree.
That ain't got nothing to do with the book you gotta
Exactly.
read.
I don't know what this project is. When she started going into all the other stuff, I'm like, what? What if I get a book that like this book I read about is about murder?
Shit, all over the place.